Ulikombe mlote nuno Pepe. Otisho no Pepe penalty. Don't pass it no Pepe one in first half. Don't pass it no Pepe two. We have a eight no Pepe two. Shadega again Pena. Yellow Freddy Kappa. Pump no Pepe. Otisho no Pepe penalty. A tackle from behind. We are up against County Depo. Otisho Pepe and Nanaze. And Kritis Kate. Ukobala pale penalty. Usumala pale kude Vilagaze. Yellow Pepe two. Otigema no para now Pepe two. Otigema no para now Pepe two. Sabuna. Uyakuza no Pepe. Otigema ni Dani Pepe. Utwale kakelege na kakani Pepe. Opunto wa Vilagaze. Otige Anishana de Pepe. Yellow Pepe. It's on a passport to the Sigel Vilagaze. We are Shita inside Jinamaka. No Mauzia direct. I'll take a spare again. Papa. Pepe two. Mfuto wa Vilagaze ni Pepe two. Wasema tumisa.